Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 28th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're starting off on the 4-hour time frame. So the dollar yen is going up pretty strong. I have my Fibonacci retracement on the move down right here because if we do bounce from one of these last couple Fib levels and break structure to the downside, that definitely would put me back into the downtrend. I would definitely start looking for sorts after it breaks structure down at a Fibonacci level. It definitely doesn't have to do that though. It could go up and then bounce from the 78%, not break structure, go up, make a new high, not break structure, and just keep on going up. Technically, the market flow is up, and I would technically be looking for longs on sort of time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, if it breaks to the downside, that will turn me into a seller. It doesn't have to break to the downside though. So if it does go down, make some sort of a higher low and then do this, make another higher low, then why not just continue to look for longs every single chance we get? The trend is your friend, and the daily time frame market flow trend is definitely still up. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.